It could soon get tougher to carry your power banks on a flight in India. India's aviator regulator DGCA is working on new safety rules after a series of incidents worldwide involving lithium-ion batteries catching fire mid-air. The trigger came last Sunday when a passenger's power bank suddenly caught fire on a Dimapur-bound Indigo flight while the aircraft was taxiing at Delhi airport. Thankfully, the fire was quickly brought under control and no one was injured. But the scare has pushed the DGCA to act. Officials say the regulator is now taking technical inputs from experts and may soon issue new guidelines. These could mirror the restrictions already being enforced by some international airlines. For example, Dubai-based Emirates has already tightened its policy. It has prohibited the use of power banks during flights from October 1. Passengers are allowed to carry one power bank under 100 watt-hours, but they can't use it to charge a device and they can't charge the power bank itself while on board. Even the location of the power bank matters. Some airlines now require that it should be kept in the seat pocket or under the seat in front and not in overhead bins where it's harder to detect smoke or heat in time. Singapore Airlines too has joined the list. Since April this year, it has banned passengers from charging their devices using power banks or even plugging power banks into the aircraft's USB ports. The bigger question is, why this sudden caution? The answer is lithium-ion batteries. It powers most of modern-day devices like phones, laptops and power banks. These batteries can overhead swell and in rare cases explode. Most modern devices include a trickle charging system that prevents overcharging. But cheaper, lower quality power banks often skip this feature, making them fire hazard at 35,000 feet. And these are not isolated cases. Just last week, on Air China flight from China to South Korea had to make an emergency diversion to Shanghai after a lithium battery caught fire mid-air. For India, the DGCA's upcoming decision could mean stricter limits on how many power banks you can carry, where they must be stored, and whether you can use them on board. Experts say it's a necessary step. A fire in the air is one of the most dangerous emergencies to handle. A single overheating power bank can release toxic fumes and spread flames within seconds, giving the crew little time to react. For passengers, the message is simple: check your power bank before you fly. Avoid cheap, unbranded models. Make sure capacity information is clearly printed on the device. And always follow airline instructions when flying.